Have you ever felt intimidated by code? That feeling that programming is only for geniuses with years of experience? Today, I'm going to destroy that myth. Welcome to a world where anyone can program. With vibe coding, the barrier between having an idea and turning it into reality has just disappeared. It doesn't matter if you've never written a line of code in your life. This revolutionary tool is about to change your relationship with technology forever. Imagine being able to create applications, automate processes, or modify your website simply by having a conversation. No studying programming languages, no endless tutorials, no frustration. In this video, I will show you how I went from being a designer with no technical knowledge to solving problems that will normally require a specialized engineer. Vibe coding is like having your own personal engineer or programmer by your side. It helps you solve everything from simple tasks to complex problems. For example, if you want to integrate an API, create an automation, improve your website, or work with databases, you can just ask it, and it will guide you step by step. And in addition to vibe coding, there are also other tools specialized for this kind of workflow. For example, you can take a look at this website, Cursor, which is excellent for helping you code within a more traditional and development environment, but with real-time suggestions and assistance. The other popular tool is Windsurf, which focuses on more complex workflows, especially if you are combining multiple applications or automated processes. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a real live case that happened to me. Last year, actually, I wanted to install Tailscale in this device, which is a travel modem. And then when I received it, the problem is that the space of this device, it was tiny. So I didn't know what to do. And here is where I use vibe coding. In this case, I use Claude. You can also use Mistral, even ChatGPT. You can ask these kind of questions. And then it's going to be able to answer those questions as you go through the process. In my case, I just went to Claude and then I typed the model of this device. And then I asked, how can I expand the storage of this little modem? And then, as you can see, it shows you all the solutions, how to do it step by step, and it's really, really cool. And then I follow all these steps, and at the end, I was able to install this USB into this device, and there I was able to install Tailscale in this device. One thing to have in mind is that when you use a free account, the limit of messages every day is not that much. So to go through this process, I had to do it in maybe 4 or 5 days because I started to run out of messages every time I have a error. So simply I just copy the error and paste it. Because I have no idea how to program it or anything. It's really, really convenient if you don't know anything about coding. And the same, if you have a website that you want to change something and you don't know how to do it, with vibe coding, same, if you use Claude, Mistral, Gemini or Gemma, Llama, you will be able to do all these things. And if you are interested in learning more, I also recommend checking out my other video where I explain how to install Flux step by step. And remember, if you run into any limitations or have any questions, you can always use vibe coding to help you with the installation. Okay, and this video is sponsored by Traffic. It's spelled trffc.com, or traffic without the vowels. In our website, you can find services from the branding, video or web production. And also, if you have any questions about AI generated content, you can go to our website and check it out. So I'm gonna leave the details in the description of this video. Also, all the websites that I mentioned in this video, in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, clicking the bell to receive notifications on my new videos. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye bye.